Hey, peace, family. It's Brother Jay. I just wanted to go live real quick. I'm in the car, so we received this package today from the international. This is an international organization, African Math, and we've invested in our children. Matter of fact, we had a community help us raise money to invest into this program. So shout out to Justin and Angie Forte, Brother Grant, Yayo, extended family that helped us raise money to invest into this program. This is African Math. It's a solid organization, and so far, y'all check this out. Decline. So I want y'all to check this out. This has 28 booklets in it. So when we're talking about planting seeds to grow more, this organization is here. There's no use of having 1,000 seeds and never putting them in the soil because they won't produce more. That's the difference between saving and investing. But look at this. High quality tire boxes covered 360 degrees. High quality images. I'm gonna open this up for y'all real quick right here. We just got this in the mail today. My children are excited about this. To show y'all that it's worth taking the time out to find those that are actually doing the work of bringing knowledge to our people. And we can't say there's no professionals out there or anybody delivering with high quality that has black businesses. Look at this. Cover of book 1. Book 1 right here. This is week 1, book 1. The Medunetta tells you that. Okay. So look at this. Look at these. Just going. 28 books, y'all. And they split up. You see the color on the spine tells you what week that is. This organization is doing some great things worldwide for us that are truly about having a reformed education from our perspective, not an education at homeschooling and still teaching from a Eurocentric doctrine, but actually bringing mathematical concepts from our perspective and teaching it at home and abroad. So this is a great organization. This is 28 books right here. So we do have high quality organizations out here, y'all, that's doing this work. I'm pulling this out in front of you live to see. This ain't no BS. It's not no BS. All these books, they're numbered, they're in sequential order. And this is the Playbox for pre through K, ages 2 to 5. Maybe even a little older depending on their skill level, skill set. But these are high quality colored images, all geared toward teaching our children what they need in mathematics and also connecting the past with the present and bringing these ancient concepts forward. But I just wanted to share that with y'all for a quick second, that somebody's out here doing this work and they care about us. They cared about us enough to put this package together for those African minds that first ruled the world and brought this knowledge. All right, peace and love. Y'all have a blessed day. The candle is lit. Don't let nobody blow yours out. Always press forward. Peace.